Hey friends, Kathy here. So if you know me personally or you have followed me and watched any of my videos, you know two things. One, I love a good sale, and number two, I do not have a discerning palate. Well, those two things come together today in this hot mess of a product. Cranberry jalapeno pork rinds. Now, for those of you that are keto or low carbing and you're looking for that snack, this has 1 gram total carbs per serving, and a serving is about 7. I personally like pork rinds, not the plain ones per se, but I love a salt and vinegar, some other flavors. And so obviously when I saw this in the sale bin, I had to pick it up so I could do a taste test. Cranberry jalapeno pork rinds. So cranberry, good. Jalapeno, good. In a pork rind, let's find out. All right, so on the outside, you can see some flavoring here. I'm going to guess that that is a cranberry flavoring on the outside. Okay, I see where they're going with this. So the cranberry piece, I'm guessing I'm going to get cranberry taste in the beginning because that's what the seasoning tastes like on the outside. And I'll bet there's going to be a little bit of a kick. So let's see. Yeah, so it tastes a little sweet when you first taste it, and then you do get the jalapeno afterward. So that, honestly, I find it delightful. But again, my palate is black like my soul. So cranberry jalapeno, I'm going to give it a win. You can see that it's from, looks like Southern Recipe, small batch, pork rinds. I'm guessing this was a seasonal flavor for Thanksgiving that was left over, so cranberry jalapeno. If you're a pork rind fan, go ahead and seek these out and let me know what your opinion is. But I like it. A little sweet up front and then that little kick afterwards. I'm calling my sale purchase here a win. Till next time.